Hello guys, welcome to my new video, and today's video we will be discussing laws of exponents. So let's begin. Now laws of exponents is a part of number system chapter which is actually really confusing for kids. Now I will tell you some laws that are going to be important in solving sums. Okay, so let's begin. This is the first law. Now the first law is if you have a to the power m into a to the power n. Okay, now this is n. Let's say Nagendra. So n. Now if it is multiplication sign, especially if it is multiplication sign, then and also the bases are same. If the bases are same and there's multiplication sign, then you need to add add the powers. You need to add the powers. So a taking it common, m plus n. Okay, this is the step. Now let's look at the next one, which is ABM. Now as you can see here, M is common to both A and B. So if you want to solve this one, you need to separate them. So AM into BM. See? Now the next one, that is the third, A minus N is equal to what? Okay, this one is actually very important. So I'm highlighting it. This one is important. So if it is minus, remember if it is minus, then 1 upon a to the power n. This is the answer. A to the power minus n. If it is any number, I don't care. It should be in the p by q form. Okay. Suppose if it is minus 1000, which will never come in your exams, but still you need to write the number in p by q form. Okay. So this is our three rules. Now there are fourth one. Here it is. Fourth, which will give you a to the power m bracket n. Now you must get confused in this one. If there is bracket, what will you do? Since you must be thinking if it is multiplication, then we will add the powers, right? No, not at all. If they have given the sign specially, then only you will add the powers. And if the bases are same, only then. But here, there is a bracket sign. Okay, there is a bracket sign. And there is one power inside the bracket and another outside. So you will multiply them. So m into n. This will give you AMN. Right. Let's give you an example. Okay. 5 square bracket whole cube. This will be 5 2 into 3, which is 5 to the power 6. Okay. Now let's begin to the fifth one. Now the fifth one is A upon B whole m is equal to what? Okay. Now here it is pretty straightforward. Now they have given m to both A and B and B. Okay. So A to the power m upon B to the power m. Like this you have to write it. Now the sixth one is A to the power m upon A to the power n. Again, this one is important. Okay. So I'm highlighting it and solving it with red pen. Now they have given A to the power m upon A to the power n. Just like how I explained in the first rule. The first rule, if the bases are same and the powers are different, you have to not add but subtract. This is the problem. A taken as common, m minus n. Okay. Okay, let's draw here. I will tell you the difference. Now, if they have given multiplication and the bases are same, then you have to add when it is multiplication, and you need to subtract when it is division. This is a simple but a really important rule. Alright, now let's do the seventh one. Seventh, it is a to the power m upon n. Okay, so how will you solve this one? Very easy. Okay, you have to take a, right? You have taken a, then bracket m. Okay, suppose if you take this as just one, or let's say fraction, m upon n. If you remove this n, so this will be 1 upon n. And just how I explained in this rule, third one, that is how you have to apply it. A to the power minus n. So it will be a upon a to the power n. It is similar to that rule. Okay. And then 1 upon n you have to write. Okay. And then you have to just interchange the places. Just interchange. How I am doing here, a to the power 1 upon n whole m. This one is a little confusing, but if you remember it, it is going to be a heck lot easier to solve questions. Now let's see 8. Now the eighth one states a root, sorry, bracket root a whole square. Very easy. This is going to be really easy. Like a piece of cake. Now if there is square, sorry, root, there's a root, then you know how to do this. If there are two roots, just write like this. Then these roots will cancel each other and you will get just a number. Now remember, I will give you an example. This will make it a lot easier. Suppose root 3 square. Now you will write the number 3 only. Only. Okay. Remember that you're cancelling the root, not squaring the 3. The square they have given just to cancel the root. Okay. So this is it. I hope you enjoy this video and learn something from it. And till then, bye bye.